What to do when your income tax refund gets delayed. Waiting for your tax refund can be a frustrating experience, especially if you're counting on that money for urgent expenses. This year, the IRS reports that the average tax refund is $3,271, reflecting a 5.2% increase from 2024. If your refund is delayed, here's a helpful guide on what to do. How to check the status of your tax refund. The IRS provides an easy way to track your refund status online through their Where's My Refund tool. If you filed electronically, you can check your status within 24 to 48 hours. For those who filed by mail, updates will be available within 4 weeks. To use the tool, follow these simple steps. 1. Visit the IRS website or download the mobile IRS To Go app. 2. Enter your Social Security number, the exact tax return amount, and your filing status. 3. View your refund status. The tool will inform you of the date you can expect your refund, provided it has been processed and approved. Your tax refund will have one of 3 statuses: sent, approved, or received. If it's been over 21 days since you filed electronically or 6 weeks since mailing your return, you may want to call the IRS for an update. How to speed up your tax refund. If you have not yet filed your return, there are ways to speed up the process and avoid delays. Ditch paper. Filing electronically is the fastest way to get your refund, as paper returns require manual data entry, which can take much longer. Select direct deposit. Choosing direct deposit allows the IRS to send your refund directly to your bank account, significantly speeding up the process. Double-check your information. Ensure that all entries are accurate before submission. Incomplete or incorrect information is a major reason for delays. How to avoid mistakes when filing your tax return. Mistakes are a leading cause of delayed tax returns. If errors occur, you may have to file an amended tax return, which can prolong the wait for your refund. Here are key points to remember when filing. Accurately identify your filing status, whether single, married filing separately, married filing jointly, head of household, or widow/widower. Ensure that your Social Security number is correct. Verify that all monetary figures are input accurately. Include unemployment compensation to avoid audits. Report all taxable income. By following these guidelines, you can minimize the chances of delays and ensure a smoother tax refund experience. In case you're dealing with urgent expenses or an unexpected emergency while waiting for your tax refund, we can provide a quick cash loan to help you get by. This option can help you manage financial needs while your refund is in limbo. For more tips on handling your finances and getting quick cash when you need it most, visit our website today.